Well, hello there, everybody. It is me again, your fearless leader, champion of Outbound, Michael Falco. Alrighty, so we just now talked about the sequences, and there's going to be three kind of subsects here. So we just went over the call sequences that you guys have and how that relates to the LinkedIn connection sequence that you guys have. Okay, now the next step here is, what if we didn't connect with the person and we left a voicemail? Okay, so this piece is automated, right? But I do want to just quickly give you guys context as to how these tasks are coming about. All right, so let's say that we drop a voicemail, right? Orem is going to automatically update Apollo with left voicemail as the disposition. All right, so from there, what do? Right, our voicemail message says something along the lines of, I'll follow up with some information. So we need to get that served to us or like put into the queue. So I created another sequence here that is called voicemail follow-up, right? So this is going to be automated because there's no differentiation between each of these, right? It's generic. We haven't connected with the person, so why personalize for each individual? So I want to just show you guys this sequence really quickly. I just turned it on, so the amount of people in here is going to be low. But you can see here we have our voicemail follow-up, right? Now, anytime that Apollo gets pushed a left voicemail disposition from Orem, right, that person is going to be added into this sequence, okay? From there, the rep that made the call is going to be assigned this email that's going to go out. And let's just go to a couple of the emails that are drafted here. If we have any. Okay, so the copy here is, apologies for missing you earlier. I left a voicemail at, and then this will dynamically fill in the prospect's phone. If you guys take a look over here, you'll see that this went from a red highlighted like error message over to, right, like, and it updates on the per person side of the house, right, which is great. And I did a really, really good job. We'll also update or dynamically fill in the company name, right? So this guy's at Village of Hoffman Estates, right? We're going to go down to Paula. Now, one quick piece here on my end is on the signature side here, right? So sender first name, this will automatically populate for each of you, right? So if I'm logged in here as Josh, right, this will come up as Josh. I do want to talk to you guys about your email signatures. I'll do that in the next video, but again, we're going to talk about after this next video, right? Like, hey, you're mentioning a lot about tasks and automation. This one is going to fire on its own for you, okay? Reason being, we don't want to make manual what we don't need to make manual. If we were putting in custom information here about our conversation where we discussed X, Y, and Z was great, and here's what I think, and blah, 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 awesome. This is not that case. We didn't speak with the person, so we're treating this as a cold outreach. You'll notice that we don't have links in here and that we don't have images or media or videos. Do not change this side of the house. These are cold prospects that don't know who we are. We want to go in with HTML, not links. But this will automatically fire for you guys. And yeah, I do need to make one quick kind of mailbox video adjustment. Okay, I'll do that. Anyway, so this is the left a voicemail. What happens next? They're going to get an email from you from one of your 4 additional emails that we set up together. Okay, cool. Thanks, guys.